Hey there, Brainiacs! Ready to supercharge your noggin? We're here with edible knowledge bombs. Dive into brain-boosting superfoods. Let's get this brain-boosting party started. Picture this. A blueberry walks into a library. Okay, maybe not. These little blue gems are the Einsteins of the fruit world. Packed with antioxidants, they fight off pesky free radicals like brain ninjas. They're like memory pills, but tastier. Add these Brainiacs to your cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. All right, chocolate lovers, this one's for you. Dark chocolate isn't just a treat, it's a brain treat. Packed with flavonoids, it boosts memory and blood flow. It's the James Bond of chocolate, sophisticated and smooth. Indulge in brain-boosting decadence. You deserve it. Holy mackerel, folks, fatty fish is brain fuel. Salmon, tuna, sardines, swimming with omega-3s, brain lubricants. If fish could talk, they'd give TED Talks on brain health. Next time at the store, pick up fatty fish. Give your brain a swim. Turmeric, the golden spice for a golden mind. It's not just for curry, it's a brain bodyguard. Curcumin protects your brain from inflammation. Turmeric lattes are sunshine in a mug. Perfect any time of day. Just avoid spills on white shirts. Broccoli, the tree of knowledge and deliciousness. Broccoli, folks, packed with vitamin K, it's a brain booster rocket. If broccoli could talk, it would recite Shakespeare. And let's be real, broccoli is fun to eat. My favorite? Broccoli dipped in cheese sauce. Pumpkin seeds, folks, tiny brain-boosting powerhouses. Packed with zinc and magnesium, they're cheerleaders for your noggin. Roasting them with spice is a flavor explosion. Perfect snack for a mental boost. Nuts, not just for squirrels anymore. Nuts, folks, almonds, walnuts, cashews. They're not just for squirrels anymore. Packed with healthy fats and vitamin E, they shield your brain from time. Squirrels might brag about their memory. Keep nuts handy for a quick brain boost. Oranges, folks. These bright citrus fruits are like little light bulbs for your brain. Packed with vitamin C, they're tiny brain energizers. And fresh squeezed orange juice? Sunshine in a glass. Perfect for starting your day. Eggs. Excellent for your brain. Eggs, folks, protein powerhouses for your brain. Packed with choline, boosting memory and mood. Versatile and delicious, endless possibilities. A brain-boosting party in your mouth. Green tea. The Zen master of brain beverages. Green tea, folks. This calming beverage is like a Zen master for your brain. Packed with antioxidants and L-theanine, it boosts focus and memory. Be calm, young grasshopper. The answers you seek are within. Brain power unleashed. Add these superfoods to your diet and watch your brain power soar. Solve complex equations, write novels, and maybe even fold a fitted sheet. A healthy brain is a happy brain. Fuel your noggin with superfoods and unleash your genius. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun videos. Stay smart, stay healthy.